Good day everyone, welcome back to our web design training. Last time this was where we stopped. We did something on this, and when we displayed this inside our browser, this was what we had. So we're going to continue from that place today. We're going to create another file inside this HTML1 folder, and we are going to call it nestedlist.html. Today we are going to work on what I call nested list, and the first thing is to write our HTML skeleton, which I believe every one of us should be able to do by now. So we have our HTML, the opening and the closing tag of HTML. Then after that we have what? We have head. Then inside our head, what do we have? We have title. Then in our title, let's call our title nested list. Nested list, that's our title. Then after our head, what do we have? Body, right? Correct. We have body. Then inside our body, let's have our heading. Let's have header 1. You can use any header. You can use header 1, header 2, header 3, header 4, any one of your choice. So header 1, let's be our title, sorry, the heading. Then let's say I am working I'm working on nested list. I'm working on what? On nested list. I'm working on nested list. Then after our header, like I told you the other time, that we can have ordered list and unordered list. So ordered list is make our work to be arranged in what? In number form, while unordered list make our work to be arranged in bullet form. So let's start with what? Order list. Inside this body, then we have our ordered list, right? So inside our ordered list we have list items, that's li. So let's have the first list item to be item 1. Let's have another list item to be item 2. Let's have it to be what? To be item 2. Item 2. Is that okay? So let's save it. Ctrl S, and then we copy the parts so that we can go and display it in our browser. Is that okay? So if we display this, what we're going to have, right? I'm working on nested list. Alright, so let's come back to our Visual Studio Code. Then inside this ordered list, we want to have unordered list. Inside the ordered list, we want to have what's unordered list. Unordered list. So inside the unordered list, let's say we have list item. Before list item, let's call it nested 1. Nested 1. Please take notes. We have ordered list. Inside the ordered list, we are having what? On ordered list. Then that unordered list is what will be called nested list. Hope you are getting it. So that will be nested list. Then we have nested list, nested 1. So let's have another one. We call this nested 2. Nested 2. Is that okay? So let's save. Ctrl S. Then let's flip over to our browser and let's refresh. Can you see what you have? Can you see? Nested. What our work was what? was nested. Now look at another thing now. Inside this unordered list, no, we have the first one was ordered list. Inside the ordered list we have unordered list. Now inside this unordered list again, we can have another ordered list. Please don't get confused. Inside this unordered list that we have now, we can have ordered list. So that's what nested. The first one was nested, then this new one was to be nested. Then inside our unordered list now, let's say we have our list item. So our list item, the first one, let's say nested 1, nested 1. Then we can have another list item, let's call it nested 2, nested 2. Nested 2. Is that okay? So let's save it, Ctrl S, and let's go to our browser, then refresh. Can you see now? After we refresh, the thing will move to this side, so it can continue that way. You can have another one apart from this. You can have nested, so it can continue that way. You know, here now we have ordered list. You can still have an ordered list inside this our ordered list. So let's stop here for now. Let me check the time first. I don't want it to exceed 10 minutes. Okay, we can still do something. Alright, so inside this one now, okay, the first one that we did was ordered list. So let's have another one on ordered list. Let's start with another list this time around. On ordered list. So inside this on ordered list, let's have list item. Let's call this list item item 1. Item 1, is that okay? So let's have another list item to be what? To be item 2. Item 2. Then inside this unordered list, let's have ordered list. Inside ordered list, let's have ordered list. So inside our ordered list, let's have another nested 1. List item, another nested 1. Another nested 1. Then let's have another one, another nested 2. List item, another nested 2. Another nested 2. Let's Ctrl S, then let's flip over to our browser and refresh. Can you see now? Another nested 2, another nested 1, another nested 2. So your assignment now is that you are going to do what? You are going to do another one. You're going to write, here now we have a ordered list. Inside this ordered list, put another one, call it on ordered list, and you can continue in that form. So that's what we have on nested list. We are going to continue from here in our next video clip. Thank you.